Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Well, in today's video, let's cover the next 5 most important 2 markers that will definitely come in your exam. Let's begin. Firstly, we are given with one matrix and it's also given that a square is equal to 0 and we are supposed to find out the value of k. Alright, let's perform a square first. That's gonna be 2, 4, minus 1 and k into 2, 4, minus 1k. Why? A square is nothing but a into a, isn't it? Now let's multiply them. Fine, they are of the same order. So let's take the first row and multiply with the 2 columns of the second matrix. That's simply going to give me 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1, that is 0, isn't it? 4 minus 4, that is 0. So my output matrix will have the first element as 0. Alright. So this is gonna be 0. Fine. Let me take the second column right now. Right. So it's gonna be 2 into 4 plus 4 into k, that is equal to 8 plus 4k. Isn't it? So here I'm gonna have 8 plus 4k as my second element. Alright. Then I'll take the second row and multiply with the 2 columns. Alright. So minus 1 k and 2 minus 1. So minus 1 into 2 plus k into minus 1. What is this gonna give me? Minus 2 minus k. Right. So this is minus 2 minus k. Minus 2 minus k. Then we have the second column, that is 4k. Alright. So here I'm going to write down minus 1 into 4 plus k into k. That is minus 4 plus k square. Alright. So here I'm going to have minus 4 plus k square. Now let's take a look at the question right now. It is given to us that a square is equal to 0. Here 0 is nothing but a 0 matrix. Right? By now you must know this. Right? If it is 1, then it will be a unit matrix. If it is 0, it will be a 0 matrix. Right? Can I equate this entire matrix to 0 right now? I can do that because a square is nothing but 0, which is already given to us. Now, here they are equal. So by equality of matrices, here I am going to have the corresponding elements will be equal, right? So 8 plus 4k will be equal to, let me erase this all. So 8 plus 4k will be equal to 0. Alright, the corresponding elements are equal. So here 4k will be equal to minus 8. K will be equal to minus 8 by 4. And here by this we get the value of k to be minus 2. So what is the value of k over here? It is minus 2. We are given with 2 matrices in the second case and then we are asked to find out 2a plus bt and 3bt minus a. Let's go step by step. Let's first find out 2a plus bt. Fine. So let's find out 2a first, bt next and then add them. Alright. That would be way too simpler. Now 2 into what does matrix say? Minus 2. 1. 5, 0. Minus 1. 4. Now I'm simply gonna multiply 2 with every element in matrix A. Alright. Now that is gonna give me minus 4, 2, 10, 0, minus 2, 8. Alright. So just the thing that I did over here is I've multiplied 2 with every element in the matrix. Alright. Then this is 2a. Now if I have to find out bt, what is bt? It's basically the transpose of b. So here matrix B is this one. If I need to find out its transpose, what will it be? The rows will become columns, columns will become rows. So that is simply gonna be here minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. Alright. So I've just converted the row over here into column in this manner. The row over here into column in this manner. Alright. Now that I've got what 2A is and BT is, alright, let's add them. Fine. So let me put this over here. So now let's add the corresponding elements. Right, here we have minus 4 plus of minus 2, that will be minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. Alright, then we have 2 plus 4, which is 6. 10 plus 3, 13. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. And 8 plus 2 it will be 10. Now what is this over here? It is 2A plus BT. Now let's find out 3BT minus A. Fine. Let's first find out 3BT. Previously we found out what BT was, isn't it? So BT will be minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. Alright, now simply multiply 3 with every element in the matrix. That is gonna give me minus 6, 12, 9, 0, 3, 6. Now what is A? A is this matrix, isn't it? Let's subtract them then. Minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4. Now subtract their corresponding elements. What is that going to be? Minus 6 minus of minus 2. That will be minus 6 plus 2. That is minus 4. Alright. Then 12 minus 1, 11. 9 minus 5, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus of minus 1. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now here we got 3BT minus A. Moving forward, we're again given with one matrix and we're asked to find out A plus A transpose and A into A transpose. Alright. So here, let me find out A plus A transpose first. Fine. So A is given to us 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3. Alright. Now what will be the transpose of A? Well, the transpose of A is nothing but rows into columns or columns into rows. Fine. So that is simply going to give me 2 minus 4 minus 5 and 3. Done. Now let's add them. What is that going to give me? Here I am going to get it as 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 4 plus of minus 5 is minus 9. Isn't it? Then minus 5 plus of minus 4 is minus 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. Done. Now let's find out A into A transpose. So AAT will be equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3 into 2 minus 5 minus 4, 3. Done. Let's find out then. Firstly, take the first row with the first column. So 2 into 2 plus minus 4 into minus 4. That is going to give me 4 plus 16. What is 4 plus 16? 20. So 20 is going to be its first element, the output answers. Then let's take the second column. The second column is going to be minus 5, 3. Right. So 2 into minus 5 plus minus 4 into 3. What is this? Minus 10. Minus 12, that is minus 22. So here I'm going to have minus 22. Fine, now let's take the second row and the first column. So second row, first column. Alright, that is going to be minus 5 into 2 plus 3 into 4. This is minus 10. Have a look. This is 3 into minus 4, isn't it? Here we have minus 4. So minus 10 minus 12. That is going to give me minus 22. Fine. Let me take the second column right now. That is going to be minus 5 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3. What is this? 25 plus 9. That is 36. So here I'm going to have 36. Wait, this is going to be 34, isn't it? So this is 34. So here we're going to have 34. So what is that we found out here? It is A into A transpose. Moving forward, we have a question on symmetric matrix, which means that it's a symmetric matrix and we are going to find out X. How do we find out X if you're given with a symmetric matrix? Well, what is the condition of a symmetric matrix? You know that A transpose will be equal to A. That is the simple condition you're aware about, right? Then find out A transpose. What will A transpose be equal to? Minus 1. Wait, this is going to be minus 1, 2, 3, right? Then 2, 5, 6, then 3x 7. This is my A transpose, which is meant to be equal to A. They are equal. Alright. Now look at their corresponding elements. Where is x? Find out x first. Here we have our x, isn't it? So x is equal to 6. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. It is that very simple. Alright, if you are thinking, here also we have x. Then what is the value of x then? So look at its corresponding element. Don't we have 6? So the value of x is 6. Alright. Moving forward, we are given with one matrix which is a skew symmetric matrix. Then we are going to find out the value of x. Now in a skew symmetric matrix, A transpose will be equal to minus A. That is something we know. Alright, let's take out A transpose then. So what is A transpose over here? 0, 2, 1. Minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x, 0. This is my A transpose, which will be equal to minus A. That is, if I'm going to multiply minus with all the elements, I'll get minus A, isn't it? So let me do that. Here I'm going to have 0 as it is. Then I'll have minus 2, then I'll have minus 1, here I'll have 2, here I'll have 0, here I'll have 2, here I'll have 1, minus x and 0. So this is what I know. Now here they're asking us to find out the value of x. Look at x, look at its corresponding element. Therefore x is equal to 2. If you want to cross check, minus 2 minus x. So minus x is equal to minus 2. Minus and minus get cancelled. Here x will be equal to 2. Alright, in any of the case you check, the value of x is 2. Well, that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for many more.